Hey guys, so this time I'll be talking about Seele, and just for your information, the ICOs already ended. But I'll be talking about Seele, the project itself, and why I think this project is one of the biggest of 2018. So, what is Seele? Seele is German for soul, mind, and spirit. You may find this very vague, but I do think they have chosen the right name for their project as it really sets you thinking. But down to business. Seele is the first blockchain 4.0 project. They use a heterogeneous forest network and a neural consensus algorithm. They also have on-chain and off-chain sharing. They claim to be the next biggest internet of value. So let's dive deeper into the project. They will implement a neural consensus algorithm. This is also where the name Seele comes from, as this algorithm was inspired by the human brain. Neural consensus algorithms compared to existing algorithms ensures a greater fault tolerance, is significantly more efficient, and also its performance is better as it scales linearly as network size increases. It really doesn't sound that different from QuarkChain. But by implementing a heterogeneous forest network, Seele differentiates itself from QuarkChain. Seele will use a blockchain ecosystem of different subnets for different use cases like trading, business, and healthcare. This sounds like a very difficult task, but the team is really strong and up for the task. We have Maolin Zhang, he's a former senior software manager at FICO. We have Dr. Nick Smith, he's a researcher at the University of London and a data transformation lead at AppV. We also have YB, he's a deputy secretary at China Blockchain Innovation and Application Consortium. So the advisors were quite difficult to find on the new website, but eventually I did find them. We have Professor Donald Lawrence. He is a visiting professor and SME in capital markets and risk management at UCL. We also have Professor John Fox. He is from the British Cancer Research Centre and a chief scientist. These two advisors are really helpful in implementing the Seele Forest network for the business and healthcare use cases. Now for the partners, we have some very big universities and a venture capital. The universities will help with the implementation of Seele. Chain Ted Capital is based in Hong Kong. Besides this, I can't find anything else on Google. Seele's roadmap is very easy and I actually really like it this time. Q2 of 2018 they will launch their testnet. In Q3 they will optimize its performance, and in Q4 they will launch their mainnet. After this, dApps will come and build on the Seele mainnet. From an investor's point of view, this is not investment advice however, this is really appealing. So for their token metrics, they will eventually use the Seele token on their own mainnet, but for now it's ERC20. They are a currency, and in the ROI perspective, currencies are one of the top winners. They also encourage nodes, they have low transaction fees, and very importantly, they have the first mover's advantage. Now for my verdict, I gave them 83.6%. This is quite high. I really like this project. The idea is very great. Their team maybe lacks a bit in the data and blockchain developer area. I couldn't really find much about their advisors, but they do have an excellent roadmap and very good partnerships. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.